What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download BlueStacks 10 on your PC, free, fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just open this site. I leave you site in the description of video. When you open this site, go here, download, save your installation, open BlueStacks installation, go run, go yes, a new window will open. You will see here install now. You can also customize your installation, but now for fast installation, click install now. Go here I agree and wait for download process. Just wait few minutes for checking system requirements. When you install app BlueStacks 10, you will get icon on your desktop and application will open. BlueStacks is the most popular app for playing mobile games on PC or on your laptop. And that's it all guys for this video. If you need games, just search them in your search bar in left corner what you need, like PUBG Mobile or else. Just search your game and click install app player and you can play every mobile game on your PC. That's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.